Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour through Cherry Gardens in the St Andrew parish. And Cherry Gardens is the #1 neighborhood in Jamaica. So we're just going to take a tour through to see what the homes look like. Now the homes in Cherry Gardens are not the most expensive homes in Jamaica. There are a few other areas where the homes are more expensive, but Cherry Gardens has been voted the #1 neighborhood for a few years now, and I think it has to do with the location, and they're very nice homes, just not the most expensive. The roads are bad, but all the residential roads are bad in Jamaica. I shouldn't say are bad, but like most other residential homes in Jamaica, they could use some maintenance, some fixing. And I guess it's the area where it's located, the location. It's close to everywhere. It's on the flat. It's not really on a hillside, although you have Cherry Hill, but that's just a small part of the area. But this is Cherry Gardens, so let's take a tour. Now, a new townhouse in a gated community probably is $1 million US or more, brand new. If you were to buy a house, it probably runs you anywhere from 80 million Jamaican to probably about 120 million, depending on the condition of the house. But most of these lots aren't that big, probably a quarter acre. The lots in, like, for instance, Jack's Hill, the Golden Triangle, Millsboro, those lots are a lot bigger. As you can see, very nice homes. Actually, I'm impressed. Some of these potholes have been patched. Oh yes, you can see the patchwork on the road, so we have to give credit to I don't know if it's the association or the government, whoever did it, but this is very good. I'm assuming the member of parliament for the area had something to do with it, so we have to say thank you. Yep, a lot of patching work has been done. We made a video here probably 2 weeks ago, and the roads were not patched. If anybody knows who the member of parliament is for this area, you can let us know. Leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, looks like some construction is going on here. Okay, maybe I didn't touch this side of the area because of the construction. And you know, when you have these construction sites, and we're just talking in general now, we're not talking about this area, but on a whole, and the construction sites like Millsboro, they destroy the road. Who is responsible for fixing it? I mean, okay, this section of the area has not been touched, but still, so I guess it's a work in progress. Okay, so this is Cherry View. Okay, here on the left now you have an open lot, and if you notice, sorry, an empty lot. If you notice, there aren't many empty lots in this area. I'm not sure if you picked up the homes on the houses on the hill, but some very nice houses up there. Now, if you go over that hill, that's Jack's Hill. It takes you into the Jack's Hill area, and you have some very nice homes up there. And the top 3 neighborhoods are the top 5 basically, not in any specific order because they change every year when the list comes out. Sometimes Cherry Gardens is #1, sometimes it's #2. But the top areas are Cherry Gardens, Jack's Hill, Millsboro, and Norbrook. and all of them are literally connected to each other. They're right beside each other. Okay, you can see this sleeping policeman in the road. This was put in, I don't know if the government put it in or the neighborhood association put it in, but this is to prevent speeding on the road. Now, a lot of people use these residential areas to bypass the main road because, like in the morning, the main road is very busy with traffic, and so if you find it's easier for them to drive through these areas and cut out the traffic, and the same thing in the evenings. So you find that a lot of traffic drives through these areas, so they put up these sleeping policemen to help control the speed at which people drive through. And if you notice, although today is a Sunday, but even in the week, you don't find buses running through these areas. They're not supposed to. Their route doesn't allow them to travel through these areas. Not only Cherry Gardens, but like a lot of the residential areas, you don't find buses traveling through them. Okay, on the left now is probably the largest. Okay, let's just stop and turn the camera. This is probably the largest empty lot in Cherry Gardens. It's huge. It's owned by the NHT, the National Housing Trust. And clearly you can put a very large complex over there, apartment complex, sorry, or townhouse complex. Okay, and that's Markway, and I think this is, I'm not sure what this road is, but it's at the corner of Markway and I'll soon tell you what the name of this road is. Cherry Gardens Drive. Okay, here you have Melwood. Now, straight ahead on the left is a new townhouse complex. I think there are 5 or 6 townhouses over there. But before these townhouses were built, it was one house on this property. That just gives you an example of how big these properties are. And the house, somebody bought a house, tore it down, and built 5 or 6 townhouses over there. So this side of Cherry Gardens, the homes are a lot bigger. That's another complex on the left and another one on the right. Alright, so this is Cherry Gardens. If we turn right here, that will take us to Russell Heights, and that leads us back to Barbican. Continue straight ahead on this road. I think this is Carmel Road. This road is very particular because when you Google it, it tells you one name, and then when you use Google another service, it tells you another name. But this road, based on our map, says Carmel Road, but if you use another map, it tells you another name. So if anybody knows the official name for this road, actually, let's look for a sign. But it's this road and the road, if we turn right to go into Russell Heights, it's the same thing. It's like it has 2 different names. I'm not sure what the official name is for the area, but we just call it Carmel Road. Okay, the sign says Carmel Road. Okay, but when you Google it, it comes up with a different name. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.